In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your iPhone camera as a webcam in a Zoom meeting. This method will enable you to take advantage of the superior image quality your iPhone's camera offers, providing a clearer, more professional virtual presence. Whether you're attending a virtual meeting or hosting a digital event, using your iPhone camera can be a game changer. First, ensure that your iPhone is properly connected and set up with your computer. This setup may require additional software that enables your computer to recognize the phone as a camera. Check your preferred third-party apps that facilitate this functionality, ensuring they are compatible with your specific operating system and iPhone model. Once everything is ready, let's proceed. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser and head over to the Zoom website. It's essential to have an active internet connection for this process. Once you're on the Zoom landing page, you'll want to click on the Sign In button located at the top right of the screen. This will direct you to the login page. To sign in, select the Google option. This is a convenient method if you have your Zoom account linked to your Google account, ensuring a seamless login experience. After clicking, you'll be redirected to a new page where you can select your Google account. Choose the account associated with your Zoom login to proceed. With your credentials confirmed, you're now logged into Zoom. Locate and click on Join a Meeting, or enter the meeting ID if you have one. Now you're in, ready to connect your iPhone camera as your video input. At this point, it's important to focus on the camera settings within Zoom. Find the video icon, typically located at the bottom left corner of the meeting window, and click the small arrow next to it. This opens up a list of available video devices connected to your computer. From the drop-down list, identify and select your iPhone. It should appear as one of the recognized devices. Your iPhone camera is now serving as your webcam within Zoom. Take a moment to check the video feed to ensure everything looks good. If the image appears flipped or cropped, explore the settings offered by your third-party app to adjust the orientation or zoom level. And there you have it. You're all set to use your iPhone camera for Zoom meetings with great video quality, boosting your online interactions to a professional level. If you encounter any issues, double-check your connections and app settings. Thank you for joining me today, and happy Zooming!